though that semi-obnoxious sound, other than my voice, was one side of the U-joint is pretty normal, greasy metal, and the other side is a nice rustic brown, which tells you one thing. One side, that was going bad. It was out of balance. Now, I don't know why. I don't want to point fingers, but I am definitely missing 2 needles. So, I'm thinking that I can use a bicycle spoke as a temporary needle. So we're gonna give that a shot right now. Safety glasses. I'm gonna grab one out of here just to compare. That's pretty darn close, guys. I think I'm gonna roll with it. Probably see it in there. It's a little bit taller than the rest. Shove a bunch in there. Yes, Kitty, I love your present. Thank you, Kitty.
Thank you for the present.
I love your presents, you little stinky, gross kitty. Always mark your caps, guys. The position and all that good stuff. So I am gonna put the bad one where the bad one was. It actually feels decent like that. The good one where the good one was. Does not feel that great either. Alright guys, we made it to our event and back safely and quite smoothly. But like I said, it's a temporary fix. You definitely want to get yourself a new U-joint if you have that issue, but you know, if you gotta get to the parts store or whatever, cut up your bicycle spokes, man. It'll get you a few miles. Thanks for watching.